Hannah. I am about to dye my eyebrows with this Indalo Henna eyebrow dye. I love dyeing my eyebrows. I've been doing it for years. I just love having really dark eyebrows, and plus some of the hairs in my eyebrows have like light tips, and so I like them to just be dyed and all uniform. So I was gifted this to try it out. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to be using the light brown color. I love henna dye because it can kind of dye your skin too if you have some like sparse patches like I do in the front, and it lasts really well and it has good ingredients, ammonia free. I actually have microbladed eyebrows that I got done a year or two ago, but they've faded a lot, and I really just want like my hair's all uniform and everything to be dark. So in the package you have instructions, some gloves, and it comes with so much powder. You should be able to dye your eyebrows 8 to 10 times. I always like starting out with kind of a lighter color, but it does kind of gradually fade over a few days after you do it. Here's some brow nourishing oil, which I've never used before. That's awesome. And then it comes with this little brush to put it on, and then the little mixing containers. So get the powder, and then you can keep the rest in here so you can dye your eyebrows lots of times. When I dye my eyebrows, I feel like it usually lasts me about a month. And then get some water in the dropper, put it in here. Mix that in. It's like a pretty good fine powder, so it mixes pretty well. Uniform paste. I'm gonna clean my eyebrows off with a cotton ball. Okay, here we go. The brush is kind of a good big size and it's angled, so you should be able to get a good line on your eyebrows. So I'm gonna start on this one. This is the one I want to process longer because I have more thin spots in this one. So I'm gonna brush this on my eyebrows and then leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off, and then do up to 3 rounds depending on how dark I want it. And if you get it on your skin, just wipe it off with a Q-tip or something where you don't want it. Okay, so now I'm going to let them sit and see what I think after I wash it off. 10 minutes are up, so let's see how it does. I'm gonna wipe it off with a wet cotton ball. It's definitely like a light brown color, I would say, and I think it dyed the hair really well. I could even do like another layer, another coat if I wanted to, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. If you wanted them super dark, either keep doing more coats or do a darker color. Okay, I love it. I think that the color just looks really good and uniform. I like that it's not too dark, but it definitely like adds some structure to my face. It is so easy to use these kits at home. There's definitely a little bit of a learning curve, but so easy once you get the hang of it. So nice to be able to do your eyebrows on your own, just whenever you want a little bit of color to look a little bit more put together without makeup on, so you don't have to put makeup on your eyebrows. I'm a huge fan. Like I said, I've been using eyebrow dye for years. This is an amazing kit, has everything that you need, and I'm excited to see how it lasts. And don't forget the nourishing oil to help the dye stay even better and just kind of lock it in.